Good morning, friends, and once again, welcome from sharestrading.school.com. Today, 27th December 2016. Yesterday, Nifty had actually shown an excellent breakout level, and whatever we have discussed in the past, it has almost achieved that. And level which we have talked about, the Fibonacci 50% retracement. 7897 has actually crossed, and at this moment if we look at current chart, we have already breached 100 EMA. We have discussed it in yesterday's chart, and now this week is reconfirming that. But if 50% retracement level is a very important level which has actually even acted as a resistance in past, 7897 should act as a support, and it may recover from this level, because in past it had actually recovered from this level. So probably this may start recovery, and at this moment 8039, which is a level of 100 EMA, can be retested as a resistance. So 100 EMA, once it had acted as a support, once it has breached, then it should retest as a resistance. So since support has a breach, so it should retest as a resistance. The first principle of support and resistance is that a support which once crosses should retest as resistance. Then it become rather it reconfirms that it is a strong support or it is a strong resistance. So for that, 100 EMA need to be retested as a resistance to confirm and to give a confidence to bear that it is support and which is now breached, and then after that there should be a proper trend. So 8039 level, so to be precise, 8040 or 8050 level should act as a resistance in future, and currently 50% retracement, which is already retested tested rather, should act as a support. Daily chart, if we will change this format into daily chart, then we will just quickly observe that 20 EMA is at present 8107. So as far as daily chart is concerned, it's a huge recovery needed from here. Almost 200 point recovery is needed. That is very difficult in a day also. But as far as daily chart is concerned, if we see this, I like to share with you current bottom of RSI. If you look at and corresponding previous last bottom, if you compare price, then price is almost showing a equal bottom formation, because here in 21st November, rather 18th November, we have achieved that in this area we have tested a support. Now we are almost at same level, exactly rather on that level. But if you compare our RSI, that RSI is showing a little diversion, because current bottom of RSI is much above than the corresponding period bottom of RSI. That time RSI was around 26, and now it is around 32. So I would see here there is a scope of diversion, and probably this diversion should lead to recovery, and that recovery should take Nifty to 8150 level. That is a very crucial level. But before that, there is a resistance of 8100. But surely price, if starts recovering from this level, then 8150 level would be a level of R20 EMA, because it will also displace to some hand this level. So daily chart is showing us a impending recovery at this moment, and probably that recovery is even needed as far as our monthly chart is concerned, because we have said that monthly chart may test this level of last support, and as far as monthly close is concerned, try and close above this 20 EMA in monthly chart, and that is placed at 8110. So probably 8110 price will try and close much beyond that, and test 8150 as a resistance. So testing 150 as a resistance and closing above 110 is necessary for market, necessary for bull, and for that we have started observing this diversion. So now our intraday chart, we will confirm that even intraday hourly chart, if we see, price is creating almost equal bottom, but RSI is showing in intraday chart there is a diversion. Probably this line which I have plotted, you can just observe this line, which is a dotted line in RSI. I'll just enlarge this so that you will be comfortably able to see. This is RSI current scenario and hourly chart. So in my view, if in case RSI crosses above this 45 level, then we will see that there will be an inverted head and shoulder with a slanting line, neckline, which is slanting to north, and that is a very crucial or important formation in a head and shoulder formation in RSI. So in my view, RSI if crosses this 45 level north, then we will get a proper recovery, and for that price need to cross this 7,942 level. This is a very important level for intraday, and after that there will be a 7,964 level of 20 EMA. So these are a level. Please remember, if we starts recovery, then we will start recovery above 7,950, but immediate resistance of 964, and after that we will see 8,020 level as a support resistance, and 8,069 as a resistance, then 8,100 as a resistance, and then 8,145. These levels which I have plotted, you can immediately see. I'll just show you where what is at the bottom which I have taken. We have plotted this point as a resistance support level, but now since we have reached this level, we need to delete this. If at all recovery start, then retracement level will change, and I'll just quickly plot Fibonacci retracement in this way. I'll take this high and I'll take yesterday's bottom, and then our levels will change as vis-a-vis yesterday, since we have it has extended further. So to make it comfortable look, I'll just enlarge this font size. So our recovery levels, which I will quickly discuss with you: 7,983, 8,040, 8,084, 8,129. These are all levels which are very crucial levels. 20, 50 and 100 level. So in my view, if at all 100 level, so 8,100 level will be very important level, wherein our almost 50% retracement of this intraday wave will start. But do remember that market need to test 7,964 as a resistance and cross above that, then and only then we will see recovery. So I am expecting at this moment recovery, but unless Nifty crosses this 20 EMA 7964, do not think of going long, do not think of buying. And if at all you are buying, even after that, do remember that we are buying in the recovery. It's not a trend, and buying in a recovery, becoming bull in a recovery, is actually going against the trend, and that is a we are going against the principle of technical analysis, because that is the first principle, that trade with the trend. So if we are going against a trend, then remember we are entering into high risk trade zone. So while trading, do remember this and then trade. While confirming this 7,964, which is the current hourly chart 20 EMA, that time please plot your RSI also and see that RSI has even crossed this level, and probably it should look like this, something like crossing from this level. I'll just quickly plot that. If at all it starts from here, probably it will look like this. So I'm expecting, as I said, that it should act as a so I'll just quickly do this. Sorry. This we will take it as a shoulder, then this portion will consider as a head, and we are about to form a right side shoulder. But if at all this crosses this level, then only we will see this formation. Look at these levels, and in my view, as I said, diversion is in place, because if you see, this price has actually created a bottom, and if you look at this level, then RSI started creating a rising bottom. So this is a diversion in place. So I'm waiting for RSI to cross this level, and then only that time I'll check whether even our price is crossing this 20 level. If both are actually crossing, then I'll think of going long, and these levels will be considered as a profit booking level. So wishing you all the best and happy trading for day. But remember, as I said, we are going against the trend. So while trading, keep your stop loss in place, keep your stop loss below yesterday's low, and then and only then think of going long. If at all yesterday's low is this, don't think about going long. So thank you very much and happy trading.